Today we'll see subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. Okay, subtraction of 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. We always start subtraction from ones column, that is O. Okay, let's see few examples. Here ones column is marked and tens column is marked. In subtraction, we always start subtracting from ones column. So 7 minus 5. So 5 in your mind, small number in your mind. Count after 5, 6, 7. How many fingers did you get? 2. Write the answer as 2 here in ones column. Then next to come to tens column. 6 minus 2. 2 in your mind. Count after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers did you get? 4 fingers you got. How many fingers did you get? 4. Right? 4, 2, 42. Okay? We always start subtraction from ones column, then go to tens column. Here in tens column we are given 2 numbers. Earlier we got only one number. We used to directly write the same number. Bring it down. Now we have 6 minus 2. Okay? This is subtraction of 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. Now, subtraction from ones column we should start. So 6 minus 4. 4 in your mind. Count after 4. 5, 6. How many fingers you got? 2. So write 2 in ones column. Then next go to tens column. 3 minus 1. When you subtract any 1 from any number, you get the before number of this number. So before number of 3 is 2. 2, 2, 22. Or 1 in your mind. Count after 1. 2, 3. Stop till you get this number, big number. Same, 2 fingers. Right? 2. Okay? Next, 78 minus 34. Start subtraction from ones column. 8 minus 4. 4 in your mind. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop till you get the big number. So how many fingers you got? 4. So write the number 4. Come to tens column. 7 minus 3. Small number in your mind. Count after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers you got? 4 again. Right? 4. Answer is 4, 4, 44. 78 minus 34 is 4, 4, 44. The answer in subtraction is called difference. What is it called? Difference. Start subtraction from ones column. 9 minus 7. Small number in your mind. Count after 7. 8, 9. Got 2 fingers. Write 2. Next. 5 minus 2. 2 in your mind. Count after 2. 3, 4, 5. How many fingers you got? 3. So write 3. What do you write? 3. So 59 minus 27 is 3, 2, 32. Start subtracting from ones column. So 9 minus 4. 4 in your mind. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got 5 fingers here. So write 5. Next, come to tens column. 5 in your mind. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers you got? 4. So let's write 4. Okay? 4, 5, 45. Next, 3. Start subtracting from ones column. 3 minus 1. 1 in your mind. Count after 1, 2, 3. How many fingers you got? 2. Now, 4. Come to tens column. 4 minus 2. 2 in your mind. Count after 2, 3, 4. How many fingers you got? 2. So 2 to 22. The answer in subtraction is called difference. Okay? We have seen a subtraction of 1-digit number from a 2-digit number, 1-digit number from a 1-digit number, a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. Okay? We have seen subtraction of 0. You have seen subtraction of 1. You have seen the subtraction of the same number from itself. What is the answer you get when you subtract the same number from itself? 0. Okay? Okay, children? Understood? In next class, we will see subtraction of a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number with regrouping, or what we call it as borrowing. Okay? Subtraction of a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number with regrouping or borrowing. So let's see in our next class.